All right, see,
Just like how we need a Greenwood.
let me read the article here real quick. So, Mason Greenwood at World Cup would be farce, not fair. Jamaican player. So, Jamaican player Isaac Hayden and Amari Bell have voiced their unease at the prospect of Mason Greenwood joining the squad before the World Cup, claiming it would be a farce and not fair. Greenwood, who has one England cap, switched allegiance to Jamaica earlier this, so that confirms him switch allegiance. Okay, and in August received his passport, opening the door to him to represent the nation of his grandparents. While 24-year-old did not accept a call-up from Jamaica qualifiers against Trinidad and Tobago and Bermuda in September, and is keeping his international options open. Jamaican Football Federation President Mike Ricketts told the Athletic he still hopes Greenwood will represent Reggae Boy before the World Cup, as he was excited to get his documents sorted out. Let me try to find them quote here. All right, so I've only played for Jamaica for a year, and there was some resistance to me when I started. Of course, now you did a push me off for how long, but
Mm.
Isaac Hayden said this by the way. But I have played 12 games and everyone can see my passion and the way I play the game. Hayden, formerly of Arsenal and Newcastle and now at QPR, told the Athletic, I gave everything on the pitch and I wanted to be there to help Jamaica progress to the World Cup. The JFF are obsessed with names and trying to recruit more players. They have they want to have the best team on the pitch. But I said to the JFF, if a player is not willing to commit for the last round of qualifying, unless they're injured, I do not see why they should be joining the group in March or at the end of the season if you qualify. There is no way that should be allowed to happen. Ha. All right. So while I agree, I must say I can't I always say this. Say if you're not come by November, nobody come. Obviously the circumstances are a little bit different now, where we need all hands on deck. So maybe me revise that opinion there a little bit. Where anybody who can come right now come. 'Cause it's not gonna be about chemistry, it's not gonna be about football. It's just gonna be about fight. But also, brother, you know you can't say this, brother. And then the man gonna say the JFF are obsessed with names and trying to recruit more players. You are one of those names and those players, bro.
Yeah, man, what them been obsessed with, man.
So what are you talking about? You never
Yeah,
know that when them obsessed with you?
me, yo, some things I see, so, but I mean, you know, sometimes, they say, yo, they for them are them have short-term memory, so they don't
And
remember what them used to do,
And look how the
how
man
we
have
used to
become a
do.
crowd favorite. Look how him just like talk himself out of it. Can him actually come and play
Yeah.
some ball, you know?
No, no, me could have stand up and tell everybody in the world can go back and look on the program. Me did I say Isaac is to come. Me the business said no, him not playing no football and ray. Me said, brother, knowing Isaac Eden, him better than everything we have two times. Even not playing no football.
Oh my God. Isaac Hayden is joking. Wait him get
Because
them
one
call there. If you had make them
only
chat
one
there.
little problem I have with not having me not fight so much and dig so much for Ravel Marcino is because me get to understand him disruptive inside even the locker room.
Yeah,
Other than that, we not have nothing better, so we have to work with him.
yeah.
If you have him a come on for the bench, that's my thing. You see, in a certain position, a Jamaica for say to the world, in a certain position, we can actually turn and say, yo, if you're not start for your club, you can't come. If you're not perform or score some goal or do something, we not call you. That's our front line, that's our own at the back.
Hmm.
But with midfield, we just have to looking at the midfield and say, yeah, we know say when them on the depend them game, them better than everything in the midfield. So if I'm playing now like a fourth division team down there, so bring him come. And my understanding is that Ravel can't play in a certain clubs. That's why Ravel thinks they need more money to play at certain places.
Mm.
So anyway, the money the Ravel will play in a league, nothing as long as the price is right.
Yeah,
No, that's my understanding.
yeah.
I get to understand, yeah. The reason why I'm leave from the club where I leave after I bring them and get promotion with them is because him ask you money and then I give him. So our next club just scrape him up.
All right, hold on
Higher
there.
division
Let me
club scrape
finish.
him
Let
up.
me finish this. Let me finish this. So that was Isaac Hayden's sentiment. Amar Bell said Greenwood or any other player, Everton's Dwight McNeil is also in the reckoning. Joining up late would be controversial. Actually, he is right. It would be controversial. And we see him when I go there up on YouTube, I say them man just come ride the bandwagon. But it is what it is. It would be controversial though. Many of
Yeah.
us, for years, have put our blood, sweat, and tears into playing for the nation, and we appreciate it. with a lot of things happening in the background, he said, we've had to deal with all that. It wouldn't seem fair to people who have been through that whole process and will never get another chance to play at the World Cup. It is a bit controversial. Definitely, especially when it is a World Cup. He stated you want good vibes and good energy around the squad. You wouldn't want any distance between any players.
McNeil play a wing back, don't it?
Yeah, him can play on the wing.
Man,
Him can play on the wing too.
he
Him can play
don't
on the
say
wing
that
too.
that's all like a Amari position. Amari a defend field position.
Yeah, but
Amari
him,
a
him,
just
him could have played as a wing back. Him could have played as a wing back. But Dwight McNeil, but we wouldn't play. Would have definitely play him as a winger. But also, I must say where Amari Bell is coming from still,
mm-hmm.
me would have understand
No,
for him position him
Amari Bell,
right.
me can understand Amari Bell talk.
Yeah, cause
Me
Blakey
can
said that
understand, but me
already.
no want a kid talk.
Blakey said that already. Blakey say yo, if you don't
Yeah,
want to come now, nobody come. And all that we never say nothing
yeah.
with what Blakey say. Cause I'm right.
No,
It
no,
a go
me no.
look away, brother. It a go look
Hey,
away.
yeah, me tell you something. Remember, I was the one, even though we say, boy, I want to see Jamaican team and I play a good ball. So I say Greenwood, yes, any day, anytime. But man, when I say if Greenwood not come, I say, yo, say if Greenwood come in at the qualifier, if he come late, I say, yo, give him 2 lick off fight, yes, in qualifier, and then we have call the World Cup squad, we just leave him off. And say, boy, you ready? I want to say, I'm cool. You see what
Him
I
just
say?
now come back.
'Cause, yo, better man, I go and qualify. Well, probably wouldn't that how cool me say, you should have go, you should have come help me. But here the joke with me have, You see, if we not qualify directly to the World Cup,
Yeah.
here, so. We need all the help I go against Congo.
Yeah, that's what I say. All hands on deck now. So it even matter. Yeah, anybody if you can get Jesus Christ come.
So, yeah, so who we have proven to us that you are not good enough.
Yeah, so now we are look again.
So now we are look again. If we can put somebody in, well, we can say can just deal with it like world class player.
Yeah.
Mason Greenwood are one of them now. We can say, yo, we need Mason Greenwood. Boy, I say going on, you put yourself in the position for this
Yeah.
happen for you.
Yeah.
Mason
So
Greenwood sit down on the back bench and say, yo, we're gonna make them go and go do what them do. Then when you no qualify for the qualify against Curacao, then you no could have sit down and say, oh, nobody now come take my space. I'm gonna defend you.
yeah.
I would have defend you.
Yeah.
But you know what me want? You know what me, Philip, where I want? I want to see Jamaica in the World Cup.
Yeah.
Not necessarily need to see Amari Bell in the World Cup.
Yeah, I don't lie.
Not necessarily need to see Liam Daly in the World Cup
No
or
love, man.
Whisper, whatever the case may be. Me want them in the World Cup if they can
Yeah,
go. But more, first and foremost, at Jamaica, I want to see in the World Cup.
for sure.
And at this stage, you never put yourself in the position for me to stand up and defend you. You didn't do that.
For sure, for sure.
So if Greenwood can come and give we that boots and bring we to the World Cup and you sit down and Matt Neal can come and you sit down over this and you know make it to the World Cup, are your fault, not mine.
For sure, man. All hands on deck right now. Anybody we can get
Yeah,
it in.
man. Blame it on the
Pause.
rest of your guys, them and the federation and everybody. Don't blame it on the man we come in. We get 2 shot and take it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So me no want hear nobody go tell me about not to come tell me that me no want hear that when you get it in the national stadium for put it where I will never do it.
Mm.
That mean you're not capable, you're not good enough. We need reinforcement. So we are
Yeah.
go for
Yeah,
reinforcement.
100%.
This is where me stand up and say if Rudolph Speed and the JFF and anybody can get Reese Nelson and whatever the case may be, this is our best shot at it, take it. And if we lose, we can understand that.
Yeah.
Because nobody can come tell me, say, if we did use this with that, with that, no can't tell me that can get a worse team than can go on and never do it. So there's no talk right here. So no.
Yeah.
This is where you say, this is where me that turn and say, at least the coach that is here, try something different.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right, but also I don't know if Rudolph Speed is going to be that unfair still. Come here, Rudolph
Rudolph
Speed say
Speed, you know
him
Rudolph
not
Speed said,
caring. Yeah, man, I know me hear it.
if it's 1 minute
Yeah,
before 12
the
o'clock at the
deadline.
cutoff date and
Yeah,
something there, which them time me did a fume because I think it was unfair.
yeah, it definitely unfair.
But we never qualify yet. But now me I go with Rudolph Speed World if it's 1 minute before than 2 games they play. Greenwood and some other big player, the Reese Nelson, the big player them
Mm.
decide so them go drop in the side and give you a help and come and we feel, me don't even not gonna feel anyway, I
Mm-mm.
swear.
I
Because
feel
we
no way.
try something different. We try something different.
Yeah, Yeah.
We bring in better quality
And the
players.
man them will get left off. It's
Yeah.
harsh, but I say go, you had the opportunity and you never
A
make it
year
happen.
fault, you have the opportunity, you never make it happen.
Yeah. So now we are bringing
And
some
that's
man to
just how
make
the
it
cookie
happen.
crumble. Yeah, we are bringing so we have tried something different. Because we are going to come back with the same old, you know, what I say, brother, you can't. With the same, with the same old stuff, I expect
Yeah.
different result.
Do the same thing expecting different. I'm saying
And
definition of
expect,
insanity, sir.
yeah, I'm mad man that, brother. So if Greenwood decides him to come and you say, okay, and Matt Neal decides him to come and Reece Nelson decides to them to come, you say, okay, and them decide to them to come, at least we know for sure. So some of these opportunities will present itself to Greenwood, and there's something there, it a got dangerous.
Yeah.
We know that. We know some of these players where the man them are lick out against them only lick out against these players because them know say these players going to come make a difference and somebody will get left behind.
Yeah, but me not
That's
see.
it, bro.
Remember, say them depend on the team too, so me not understand. And nobody not necessarily would have kicked them out of the team. But
No,
maybe
no,
maybe
them not.
I'm gonna do an interview still. You get asked a question on the spot, and you answer still. You get me? I say
Yeah,
so.
but you know, say enough times when Eden wasn't talking about himself.
Hmm.
He is not talking about Greenwood come now, and the fact that Greenwood may drop in at the team, you look on a wing player, we probably are gonna get dropped. But probably when him looking at himself as a football brain, me realize he could have somebody where him close to.
No,
So him start talk
me
from
not
now.
think it go that deep. Me think
You're
him
not
just,
surprised,
me
because that's
think,
what we think, you know.
yeah,
That's
but
what we think, you know, Rush.
me feel like him just a
When
make,
we look
I
on
just him
me,
opinion, which me share.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
It I
But
go feel unfair, but I just say it go.
you
I'm
see,
opinion, man.
for me, Rush, me in an organization, I mean, look on and me see some things. Sometimes I talk, and because it affect me directly, you know. Remember, you're in an organization. We out here say it's just an opinion, you know, because we don't know what goes on inside there. I'm a rebel me I say something about somebody because maybe film position me come on a threat. Other, you understand me? I say,
Hmm.
but I think if I'm a rebel fit, he might go to the World Cup. But he's not going to be the one we are going to get let go.
I we not
But
nobody not
probably,
go. Oh well, we already bring in the man for take a Maribel position, say Rico Henry.
yeah. Then,
So
then that's why I'm tell you, say, if him not stay fit, him probably not go stand. If him not perform, him probably go lose him spot when the final counter go down. So having Rico Henry come inside of the team now, and I will get a full chance now to play with the guys them and come out. Me know say one thing me can know, or if you're really professional enough and moving forward and all of them little thing there, you probably go and play Rico Henry.
hmm.
You don't know where Rico Henry, because him just a come off an injury, they say him no something. We don't know where Rico Henry are going to do up to, leading up to March. You see me, we know where Mason Greenwood that do already.
Yeah, Mason Greenwood that done, man.
We
A world
don't.
class player, that man.
Yeah. So we know same can fit him. Cause when Mason Greenwood busy, I know Liam Bailey go get left. I know Cephas go get left.
A
I
fringe
know
player.
I know Whisper go get left and something there. Probably somebody with him a talk up on the bench. I say, boy, you need to do this, I need to do this, and somebody say, but that's one of them person where my advice for the bench. You don't say, yo, judge, like Mason Greenwood coming up. Yeah, we bench
They
him,
do.
but you're good at him, not gonna make it. Cause it can
Yeah,
well and be even one of the players that we like.
yeah. It could. It could.
Yeah.
It could. But I think I just him up here in my share. I'm think where must say make sense, you know. So you see if I did something
But
out of the ordinary, then me probably
I know
see what
him
you
for
say.
talk about it.
No,
I know
it
him
me
for talk about it.
right message, wrong messenger. I know you feel say that, brother.
Yeah.
You see if
Yeah.
Blakey said the exact same thing what him just said, nobody now
Yeah.
we didn't know about the hype on it. We just gonna
But
say, yeah man, good talk, skipper.
no, say me I gonna say the only thing me I gonna say, Blakey, you did have your chance to say that.
Yeah, no, Blakey been a say
No,
it,
you're
him
not in a position.
consistent. Blakey
No, no,
consistent.
it's been a say it. Me did believe in how him I say. I mean rate it. But at this point, I gonna say Blakey, you know no more chat again, you know.
Me
You
would have
get the
said that still.
chance, and you never take it. So guess what happened? Because if me I go coach a team, if me
All
get a
right.
team to coach right now, how
Understand
you think me
this.
I go?
Understand this. Understand this. You see to them local player and me and you would understand this still. Virgin, we would have fight blood, sweat and tear to represent Jamaica. I always tell people say me would have pay money just to go play 1 minute for Jamaica, right? You
Just to sit
understand?
down on the bench.
Just for sit down, just for put on the jersey and warm up with them, me that pay money.
Yeah, man.
Imagine the passion where Andre Blake and a Damian Lowe and a Shaman Nichols and a Dujan Richards and a Kaim Dixon and a Cephas. The passion where them man they have. Them man they sit down in a stadium already and watch football. The passion where them man they have like we for play for the nation. Imagine now you see a next man who just a treat that same opportunity as just another professional chance or just another professional opportunity. Just for go to the World Cup. Just willingly, oh wait. When this is what you live and die for, when this is what you are written by your heart, black, green, and gold. And then you see a next man will just a look a career opportunity. A same thing if Blakey say me that say me get to you, I say Blakey, no man no fear just a use it as a chance, as a means to an end. I would get it, bro.
Mm.
Would understand it.
Yeah. No, you see, as we said before, I would have said to Blakey, boy, Blakey, we understand it, but as we tell you before,
Yeah,
Blakey,
we
we
need
understand how feel
Mohammed,
the
we
pain.
need Jesus, we need
But
Mohammed, we need Marcus
but
Garvey, we need
yeah, man.
everybody right
But
now.
right now, when Jesus go and wave the one and open up the Red Sea,
Yeah,
when never
Moses.
got through. Moses did open up the Red Sea when they never take the opportunity, brother. No,
So
no,
nobody try
guess what?
control now.
Nobody come tell me say A, B, and C right at this ball.
Yeah,
We need but Moses out there get vote. They see the first stuff. That's when I agree with McNeil and all these other players. And
all
that we
right.
need at this
So
point. So you get what I
you
say?
that take all Omar Hutchinson too?
But say at this point,
Yeah, anybody.
anybody who want to come at this point, as long as
Mohammed.
them are gonna make it better, eh?
Yes,
Yeah,
Mohammed,
man. You know,
anybody.
no chatter. Hey, you know something that was against Omar, you know.
Omar a fraud, man.
But you know if them a
Them man
call
they a
Omar,
fraud.
you know, knowing hey, Isaac Eden solve the one position that we would have a big problem, you know. Omar can solve the next one, you know. So
Yeah.
what you gonna tell me say? Eh?
As in, me not stop him from
We,
come, but a fraud.
just no, and at the end of the day, probably these players when we look back on it, you know, can we take a good look into it, you know. These players probably sit down and say, yo, say I could have come in the last 2 rounds, but them feel bad now themselves. Say, yo, I allow them and them do them
Yeah,
thing.
or them probably
But the fact
appreciate. You
that
know,
them
say
not
if we did
qualified,
come, would I make it look how
yeah, could
close with the team there. Me could I get them
yeah,
over
but
the edge.
them never also want to come because them never want nobody to say them a work at this and them a this and them a that. So them probably hold back too. But at this stage now when them not qualify and go to the World Cup, man, them a say, yo, brother, you are. If they tell them call me now, me go down there. Because
Yeah.
you can't say all of them are bug, brother. Because they know themselves say, yo, this is our easy passage to them.
Yeah.
Let's allow them.